Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete students from Teachable. To delete a student from Teachable, first of all go ahead and open up your teachable.com account and log into your account first. Once you do so, go ahead and click open a school that you own. This will then open up the dashboard of your school. Click on the users button on the left hand side menu and you will then be able to see the list of students that you have enrolled into your school. To delete a student, go ahead and select a student and click on the little box right in front of the student's name and go to bulk action option at the top. Now click on the delete button and you will then be able to see this pop up. Click on delete users as shown in the dialog box over here and click on OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete the specific user from your school. That is how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.